Hi, good morning. Yes, I miss Vlogmas. Like, what am I doing in these Christmas PJs? That is because I wanted to live in the moment last year. I don't know, that's just my excuse. But today I'm vlogging. I still have all my Christmas decor up. It is December 3rd. Yeah, December 3rd. I have bins so I can put the stuff in. Hi, Doja. Doja's currently eating right now. We already went potty. And I just need to take all my Christmas decor down. Yes, it needs to go like today. No, not today because I work like all week. And then I'm going to Austin this weekend. Yes, I am, to celebrate my best friend's birthday. Are you done? Are you all done? You're so good. You are so good. Are you done eating your food? I work like every day this week and well, Thursday I'm off, but so you're probably gonna see this in segments. So like throughout this week, little by little, I'll do like, I for sure by the end of this week want my house deep clean. So that's what we're gonna do. I just got up, took Doja potty. So let me know what you do. Like if you have a dog and you live in an apartment complex, like do you like get ready to go take your dog potty or like try to look presentable? I know if it was like in a college dorm or a college apartment or something, like I get it, like you're running into people all the time, but like here I really don't. I'm gonna drink my coffee right now and plan in my planner. I like to have my mornings, you know. And I got this one. The front is cute, 2023. Not something I would typically like go for, but like the inside is like what I really like. It has like stickers and it has like priorities. Like the layout of it is just like really, I didn't want to run out of the stickers, so I bought like a pack of the stickers. This is what I got so far. This new year is being productive, getting on our shit, getting new lip injections because hers really dissolved. Okay, so I'm taking off the garland little by little, and I was taking off the lights, and I'm like, ugh, I don't want to walk around the tree, and it rotates. Like, how genius is that? I don't know if it'll mess up the lights. I don't think so, but dude, that is so freaking genius. Like, I don't have to be like walking around. That is so cool. So I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover while y'all see me clean and get off to a great start on my new year reset. Before getting into the new year, I just want to say some words because I mean it's already January by the time y'all see this, but that's fine. It's still January. It's still the first year of the month, right? Okay, sorry if I'm being a little extra in this voiceover. It's because, not gonna lie, I had a couple glasses of wine, so I was already feeling warm. So yeah, I just had to insert this in here. So I just want to give some advice because I think like I am a good person to give advice. No, I'm just kidding. No, I just feel like I give really good advice sometimes, and I just want 2023 to just be an exciting year. This year I turned 21. Those who are listening and who are watching this video, I just want you to take in what I say because I mean we are still young and we are still thriving, and I want this year for you to make this like your best year that you've ever had. This year is just a year of like success and just creating our own healthy versions of ourselves and just making ourselves happy this year, and stop depending on other people and just really loving yourself for who you are. Take yourself on dates. Even if you have a significant other, like you can still teach yourself how to be alone and how to just be in your own presence and in your own thoughts. Stop putting excuses and just do things that you want to do. You know what I mean? Like for myself, I make excuses all the time and I'm just done doing that. If you want to wake up early, wake up early. Like if you want to do this, and if you want to do that, it takes discipline. So you just got to get up in the morning and you just got to do it. Like, I'm just so sick and tired. I don't know about you, but for myself, me personally, I'm so tired of saying like, oh, I want to do this and oh, I want to do that, and just talking in the future, but things never get done. And I want this year for yourself to, sorry for my dog in the background. She's playing, but I just want this year for y'all to just truly grow as a person, financially, physically, mentally, spiritually, and just really love yourself. And I'm drinking wine while saying this, so sorry if my words are like really lagging. Doja! Yeah, with that toy. Guys, Doja has this favorite toy where she loves her little froggy, but it squeaks so much. Doja! Yeah, enough with that froggy. Anyways, I'm on my second glass of wine, so if it sounds like I'm lagging, Mama's a little bit tipsy. Yes, because I just got home from work and I'm very, very stressed all freaking day, so I deserve it. Yes, I do. So this is the current situation. I have the couch all the way over here. I already did where like the Christmas tree and this couch, I think you can kind of tell on the floor. I'm like really deep cleaning the carpet. I rented out this Bissell from like HEB because this one over here, she's actually scared of that machine right now, but it's like a vacuum that like washes your carpet at the same time. She's peed on the carpet and like I can only clean it so well, you know, and this like really gets in there. So I'm gonna do like this half of the living room right now and then I'll be done. But this is a situation right now. All those boxes in the kitchen gotta go. The stools will come down once the carpet is dry and everything will be in its place. I need to throw out that lamp over there because Doja chewed the cord, so now it doesn't work. And then that mirror, once this tree is like gone, I'm gonna put the mirror which is right here back where it was, and everything will be in its place. But anyways, yeah, I just want y'all to create better versions of yourself and just learn to love yourself and find who you are, because I know, oh God, stop it. I know me just turning 20 this past year is kind of like in a weird funk because yes, I'm 20, I'm an adult, but I also feel like I'm such a kid still and I have so much to learn. But we're all figuring ourselves out every single day, and no matter what we do or what we choose in life, as long as you're happy. But yeah, thank y'all so much for listening to my mini podcast, I guess, and just watching my video and taking the time out of y'all's day. I love y'all, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.